generals in World War II were all about slow thinking and finding the easy way out. Well, now in paintball, there's no way there's an easy way out. You're going head on against another team, and there's flying balls of paint getting shot at you, and we can always thank those, balls of paint getting shot at you from the paintball gun. And there's a lot of steps in what goes into the paintball gun, and this is how it works. Here's a very basic diagram of a paintball gun. First, you have the feeder. The feeder provides paintballs for the paintball gun to get shot out through the barrel. Next, you have the CO2 tank. The CO2 tank is pretty much the fuel for the paintball gun. The CO2 is the reason why everything works inside the paintball gun the way it does, because of its pressurized at 750 to 1000 psi, and that's a lot of pressure. Next you have the airline, which the CO2 travels through. They get into the chamber to push back the hammer and pull forward the bolt to let the paintball out, and all the excess CO2 gets shot out through the barrel. Next you have the trigger, which pretty much activates all of that. It pulls back the hammer. The bolt then comes forward, and CO2 pretty much takes the ball with it. And lastly, you have the barrel, which the paintball travels through to be shot at your target. And make sure you're always wearing a paintball safety mask while playing paintball, because that would not be good if you got shot in the face. As you can see, the chamber gets filled with CO2. The hammer now gets pulled back, the bolt comes down, and then after that the hammer comes forward, pushes the CO2 out along with the paintball, and that's how a paintball is shot out. What's great about paintball guns is that they're extremely customizable. Take this for example, a hopper. A normal semi-automatic hopper is normally taken by gravity and can easily get jammed, and is normally used for single shot and cannot really perform in the fast. Other hoppers, like this one that's being shown, is an automatic hopper, which takes batteries, but it feeds the paintballs through faster without jamming, which can give you a fast rate of fire and can make your paintball gun, if it has an automatic setting, be automatic. The last thing you could do for a paintball gun is change the barrel. The barrel has the most and only impact on where the ball is going to go. Take this for example, a flatline barrel. A flatline barrel is made extra long and is slightly at an angle to give backspin to the ball for range and extra accuracy. But as a downside, it also makes the ball very slow. So when you're picking out barrels, you're going to have to kind of mix it up a bit. Do you want a longer barrel that gives you a lot more accuracy, or do you want a shorter barrel that will shoot the ball really fast and will get to your target fast, but not as long range? A lot of people didn't know that paintball guns were actually more complicated than a lot of people thought. And I hope this presentation showed you how complicated a paintball gun can actually be.